Hey there YouTube, how you guys doing? Well, today we are testing out our new router table. My battery in my camera was dead earlier, and I've been real sick lately, so my voice is almost gone. I wasn't going to do a video, but kind of excited about this thing, you know, for being made out of junk in the garage. It seems to work all right. Maybe a feather board, and project we're doing is some base molding. Did a flooring job this week, and this house has tons of angles in it, and none of the walls are square, so we've got some decent gaps around the edges. I needed some 3/4 molding, and you know, at the store, big box store we'll call it, you can get the little quarter round for you know, $1 or so a stick, but you can start going up into bigger moldings and they want like $5 a stick. So this is a low budget slumlord type job I'm doing, and so we're gonna make our own molding. And here, I'll show you some I've done up already here, and then we're gonna do some. So yeah, 3/4 of an inch, and I've got a 1/4 inch round bit on there, and say with a little sanding I think it'll work just fine. Some paint, not trying to win any contests with it. Alrighty, I'm going to try my hand at editing, so there's going to be some cut spots like this one here, and I'll get back to you as soon as I get set up. And actually, no, we're just going to start it. Let me put my earplugs in here. It's going to be loud. Start my dust collection. Okay, now I'm going to set you guys up in a different angle here, so hang on.